Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate it. And if after you watch this, you like what you see, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment. Comment, please. So today we're in downtown Redmond. This is the town that I live, Redmond, Oregon. And a couple of times a year they have major classic car shows, and today's one of them. So it's the Wild Ride Classic Car Shows. So come on, let's go take a wild ride. I think it's actually rather ironic that the day that I'm recording this in April of 2023 is actually Earth Day, and here I am videoing all of these gas guzzlers. Ironic, don't you think? But still, it reminds me of my youth. My first car was, if I remember correctly, a 1949 Kaiser. And my next car was a 48 Plymouth with Continental doors. I loved it. The Kaiser looked like a football. I always wanted to paint it brown and put lacing across the top, but I never got around to it because, you know, I was only 16 or 17. So there is that.